Hey folks, I'm Neil. So I'm the guy and the voices and the fingers and the hands behind all of these videos from the inception of this channel back in 2010, I believe it was, and throughout the 2010s up to 2018 and beyond. I think we posted some videos and it was a bit irregular, but I managed to create a repair business over those years, spare parts selling, the guides that I used to do in my garage office right in the beginning, to growing it to 3 repair stores and nearly 10 people, I think, at the height of it, and you know, learned an incredible amount about business. It was a real passion. I enjoyed every minute of at least I enjoyed what I was doing, is repairing and creating guides for you guys, answering questions and finding out my own, discovering how to repair stuff from my own sort of research and just trying it. And that was essentially where it all stemmed from. Later on in the later years, I ended up running the business rather than repairing, which had pros and cons. As you got stuck into more about the repair side and service customers, the less the videos happened, and regrettably, sort of in the end, the business failed after, it was about 14, 15 years. I learned a phenomenal amount, and eventually, once closing the business, there was a downturn of about 4 years where we got broken into absolutely constantly. We were targeted by an Eastern European crime syndicate, literally burgled us 5 times in about 7 months. No matter what we did, we couldn't stop it. Suffering with parts qualities, Apple's locking down more and more of their devices, and in the end, we gradually closed the other stores and had our main store, and in the end, even that failed. And I learned a huge amount more in my failure than my gains, all the way through from the beginning of repairing something. And what really did start me off on this journey with the AppleiPodParts.com website, which obviously no longer exists, and this YouTube channel. When it was just me, I left my full-time job in Formula One and electronics side of Formula One. And I used to absolutely love selling parts online, getting parts in line, repairing devices, and creating videos for you guys. Absolutely my passion. And it wasn't necessarily in running my business. I learned a phenomenal amount, as always. In fact, the first video I ever did was as a result of trying to follow a video on an iPod repair. I remember, iPod 4th gen or something like that, a very long time ago, and utilizing a video that was online, and it didn't have all of the steps on it. So I ended up tearing a cable in there, a tiny ribbon cable. I was frustrated because that part of the repair was missed from the video. So I had to go and look for somehow getting that stock. And this was the days before you had parts repair websites. You could get some stuff off eBay, and it was really unheard of. It obviously became very saturated the following years, and we jumped on that early and managed to get some really sizable repair contracts that took us into our own premises and start growing. So and then my frustration, so I started making videos that they're all quite infamous for. No cutscenes, no edits, from start to finish, absolutely every detail incorporated and nothing missing. And I always used to say, look, if I yap on and talk about it too much, I'd rather show you absolutely everything and for you to go, I'm bored now and I'm going to click off, than miss something and cause you to break something and either have to pay for a part or even struggle to find that part. And that was always the remit for my videos, and I was quite proud of them as well. Grew to 8,000 subscribers. It was great. Comments from you guys were fantastic, and I was really happy to help. And a lot of it was spawned off the back of me trying to fix something that had no instruction manual, had no place you could really call for parts or anything like that. Super enjoyable. And what I'm looking to do now, so I'm in full-time employment back in Formula One, which is incredible. And I've been there for 1.5 years. But what I'm looking to do is I've got these resources. I've got several channels that I've created over the years that I'm really looking to engage back with. And this channel here, I want to make sure that I don't just start filling it with rubbish. And you 8,000 odd subscribers that come to the channel and subscribe to the channel for repair guides. I don't want it to be just completely different stuff. It's just going to bore you. You're going to unsubscribe. Of course, I can create a new audience, but I want to give a little bit back as well. So I am now searching for ideas on how to reinvigorate this channel for content and material that's going to help you guys, but my heart nor my time is in repairing anymore. That chapter's closed. As much as I enjoyed it, I don't have the time nor the resources around me to reinvigorate that. So I think it's time for a new chapter on this channel, and I'm open to ideas. So please drop a comment of what you would like to see this channel output. Bearing in mind, it's not going to be repair guides. I might be able to bring together content from other channels to make sure, and give you the value that you're looking for. I'm also potentially going to utilize this channel for shorts that give you guys advice on how to fix stuff, not just physically with your hands, but software wise or tools wise. Maybe, hugely into AI, have been for probably the last 5 years in my own business and my exploits now. And maybe there is some content there to be able to essentially teach you. So I just want my channel to be valuable to you guys. I want it valuable to me, obviously, because I love seeing videos and channels grow. And the sky's the limit. So really looking for some feedback from you guys to give me some suggestions on content, faceless content, clips of montages of stuff that can help you, ideas that I can do that maybe help you, anything. So please, thanks for joining me over the last 15 years. This may be a slight explanation as to why I've not been active on this channel for a long time, and I'm hoping to change that. So yeah, we'll try some stuff, and I'll try some stuff, and it may not be exactly what you want, but there might be others want. It might grow in a certain direction. It might take us in a certain direction, but I'm quite keen to keep it in the tech niche. I believe AI is it has been, and it's the absolute future, and all the things that innovate from there. So yeah, it will be a difference in content. No more these doing this. But as much as I love repairing stuff, so I would need to fit it in with my full-time, quite lengthy hours job in an incredibly advanced tech sector. But you can see what we can produce. Let me know if you've got any thoughts. Thanks for the journey. I hope you stick with me, and we'll see where it can go. I'm Neil, and cheers. See you soon.